Train. A form of transportation consisting of connected vehicles on tracks. Example: the train arrived right on time.
The train arrived right on time.
I take the train to work every day.
I take the train to work every day.
The train conductor checked our tickets.
The train conductor checked our tickets.
The train whistle echoed through the station.
The train whistle echoed through the station.
We boarded the train and found our seats.
We boarded the train and found our seats.
The train traveled at a high speed.
The train traveled at a high speed.
I enjoyed the scenic train ride.
I enjoyed the scenic train ride.
The train stopped briefly at each station.
The train stopped briefly at each station.
The train's wheels screeched on the rails.
The train's wheels screeched on the rails.
I sat by the window on the train.
I sat by the window on the train.
Bus. A large vehicle used for public transportation of passengers. Example: I caught the bus to school.
I caught the bus to school.
The bus was crowded with passengers.
The bus was crowded with passengers.
I always sit near the window on the bus.
I always sit near the window on the bus.
The bus stopped at each bus stop.
The bus stopped at each bus stop.
I missed my bus and had to wait.
I missed my bus and had to wait.
The bus took a scenic route.
The bus took a scenic route.
The bus arrived late because of traffic.
The bus arrived late because of traffic.
I listened to music while on the bus.
I listened to music while on the bus.
I chatted with a friend on the bus.
I chatted with a friend on the bus.
I waved goodbye to the bus driver.
I waved goodbye to the bus driver.
Car. A four-wheeled motor vehicle used for personal transportation. Example: I drove my car to work.
I drove my car to work.
The car engine wouldn't start.
The car engine wouldn't start.
She parked her car in the garage.
She parked her car in the garage.
He polished his car to a shine.
He polished his car to a shine.
I locked the car doors before leaving.
I locked the car doors before leaving.
The car sped down the highway.
The car sped down the highway.
We went on a road trip by car.
We went on a road trip by car.
The car's horn honked loudly.
The car's horn honked loudly.
She checked the car's oil level.
She checked the car's oil level.
I adjusted the car's side mirrors.
I adjusted the car's side mirrors.
Plane. A powered aircraft designed for air travel. Example: I flew in a plane to Paris.
I flew in a plane to Paris.
The plane took off smoothly.
The plane took off smoothly.
I looked out the plane window.
I looked out the plane window.
The plane landed safely at the airport.
The plane landed safely at the airport.
The plane's engines roared loudly.
The plane's engines roared loudly.
I fastened my seatbelt on the plane.
I fastened my seatbelt on the plane.
The plane soared through the clouds.
The plane soared through the clouds.
I felt a little turbulence on the plane.
I felt a little turbulence on the plane.
The plane taxied on the runway.
The plane taxied on the runway.
I watched a movie on the plane.
I watched a movie on the plane.
Ship. A large vessel used for transporting people or goods across water. Example: the ship's cargo hold was full.
The ship's cargo hold was full.
The ship's deck was slippery.
The ship's deck was slippery.
The ship's mast stood tall.
The ship's mast stood tall.
The ship's captain barked orders.
The ship's captain barked orders.
The ship's voyage ended tragically.
The ship's voyage ended tragically.
The ship sailed toward distant shores.
The ship sailed toward distant shores.
The ship's hull creaked under pressure.
The ship's hull creaked under pressure.
The ship's flag fluttered in the wind.
The ship's flag fluttered in the wind.
The ship's anchor was dropped.
The ship's anchor was dropped.
The ship sailed under starry skies.
The ship sailed under starry skies.
Bicycle. A human-powered vehicle with two wheels for personal transportation. Example: I rode my bicycle to work.
I rode my bicycle to work.
The bicycle tires were flat.
The bicycle tires were flat.
She pedaled her bicycle uphill.
She pedaled her bicycle uphill.
The bicycle chain needed oiling.
The bicycle chain needed oiling.
The bicycle bell rang loudly.
The bicycle bell rang loudly.
The bicycle seat was uncomfortable.
The bicycle seat was uncomfortable.
He performed tricks on his bicycle.
He performed tricks on his bicycle.
I locked my bicycle to a post.
I locked my bicycle to a post.
The bicycle's brakes screeched loudly.
The bicycle's brakes screeched loudly.
The bicycle race was intense.
The bicycle race was intense.
Motorbike. A two-wheeled vehicle with an engine for personal transportation. Example: Fast motorbike speeds by.
Fast motorbike speeds by.
Loud motorbike engine roars.
Loud motorbike engine roars.
Cool motorbike maneuvers performed.
Cool motorbike maneuvers performed.
Red motorbike stands out.
Red motorbike stands out.
New motorbike model released.
New motorbike model released.
Customized motorbike looks impressive.
Customized motorbike looks impressive.
Motorbike adventure awaits us.
Motorbike adventure awaits us.
Motorbike riders wear helmets.
Motorbike riders wear helmets.
Buying a used motorbike.
Buying a used motorbike.
Motorcycle enthusiasts come together.
Motorcycle enthusiasts come together.